also allows for less invasive treatments. But does this mean that radiologists will become obsolete? Absolutely not. While AI can handle the routine task of scanning images, it still requires a human touch to interpret these results in the context of a patient's overall health. So, what we're seeing is not a replacement of healthcare professionals, but a transformation of their roles. As AI takes over routine tasks, healthcare professionals are free to focus on more complex patient care, but this requires new skills. So what does this mean for today's workforce? It means we must evolve. As the landscape of work transforms, we too must shift our gears. We are stepping into an era where learning once and working the rest of your life won't cut it. Lifelong learning is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. We must embrace the concept of regular upskilling and reskilling. This isn't just about learning new tools or software, it's about adopting a mindset of continuous growth. We must be willing to let go of old ways of doing things, to unlearn and relearn. Companies too have a role to play. They must invest in their employees, providing them with opportunities for training and education. They should build a culture that encourages curiosity, where employees are incentivized to learn, grow, and innovate. As individuals, we can take steps towards this learning journey. Start by identifying the skills that are in demand in your industry. Then, create a plan to acquire those skills. This could be through online courses, workshops, or even on-the-job training. Remember, it's not about being an expert overnight. It's about making consistent progress. It's about being a little better than you were yesterday. The future of work is not a distant dream. It's here, and the only way to thrive is to adapt and learn.